Hi, today for the Motorola Moto G23 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application because we should get the Ampere app from the Play Store. That's why in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will load in and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app, click yes, I agree, be close, tap to OK, and after that you will see information about our battery temperature. In my case that's 37 degrees. Also we can see here more info like the battery level, health, capacity, model, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.